In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 1v1 in Madden 24 Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how you can play with your friends in Madden 24 Mobile. In order to do a 1v1 match in Madden 24 Mobile, you have to go over to the leagues. So as it stands today, there is no dedicated 1v1 mode for Madden 24 Mobile. The only way to play your friends is going to be through the leagues. So keep that in mind. You will not be able to find 1v1s directly available anywhere else. When you go over to leagues, you will be able to see the amount of members and most importantly, the friends that you have. So choose the friends option and now you will be able to browse to your friends list. You will be able to share this friend ID if needed to add your friend or find them by using their user ID typed out here. Once you have your friends added, you will be able to invite them to the league, and once they are in the league, you will be able to play against them. So now you will see them listed here, and you can tap on any of your friends. When you tap on any of your friends that you see listed here under leaders, you will be able to find the play option. So you have plenty of options like nudge, scout, report, film. You can see their records and other stats, but most importantly for this video, the option to play, which is essentially the 1v1 mode. So you choose the option to play. Immediately you will go through the loading screen and you will be able to 1v1 your friend. So sadly, as it stands today, this seems to be the only way to do sort of a 1v1. You have to go over to the leagues, add your friend, and you will find them under the leaders for this league. Once you see them listed here, just choose any of your friends and you will find the option to play them. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 1v1 in Madden 24 Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.